So welcome to my basement studio workbench setup here. I use two Lupo lights. It's a LED light, a daylight with 6500 degrees Kelvin, which gives a very good lighting of 1000 watts each. And I use a frost gel on each light, so the light is a little less hard, it's a little softened. Next you see my working bench here with the styrofoam around it. The reason for that is not only that everything looks a little tidier, but also that the styrofoam reflects the light even better, softens the shadows and makes everything a little better, less distracting and evenly lit. So for the sound, I use an Electro Voice RE20, which is the microphone for radio shows, but it's also very good for instruments like bass or for saxophone. The ER20 goes into a little mixer to get the right gain. It does use phantom power on XLR, but the microphone needs quite some gain to really be loud enough. The result of the mixer directly goes then into Tascam DR100. The thing is that I tried the RE20 directly into the Tascam, but the Tascam, even with phantom power enabled, did not have the right gain or enough volume to make the microphone reasonably loud. So this is what is recording the sound. The next thing on my desk is the camera to my right, which is the Nikon D7000 with a little Lilliput monitor, so that I can see what I'm actually doing in the zoom version. On the left you see the Nikon D800 with a 2470 lens and the Lilliput 4K monitor again, so that I can see what I'm doing. And on top there is a Sony Action Cam mounted, the FDR X3000. It obviously doesn't give the best image quality, but it's the best I have here. So basically this is my setup. I just forgot, everything was cut and produced on the computer with DaVinci Resolve 14, a free software which is perfectly professionally good. So thanks for watching.